Alright, so I was totally going to do sourdough bread today, and then Christmas happened, Christmas money happened, and so I bought a new toy. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a new toy, so we're gonna work down here. This right here is the last piece to my puzzle. No, this is a OONI multi-fuel pizza oven. The main reason why I got it is because it's wood fire. Now it does have gas, which is fine, but this is the, I guess, cheapest one that doesn't suck, but you get the best bang for your buck. So I'm very excited to open this up and get started. I've always wanted one. It didn't matter what brand it was. I've just always wanted one, and this one just so happened to come across. And like I said, I'm really excited about this. Like I've always wanted a wood fire pizza oven, and it's just something that I wanted to add to my collection for a really, really long time. So we're gonna open her up and see what we got. So this is, it's like the cover to the back. But yeah, we're gonna put this guy together. Yeah, this is the back cover. But here we go. Oh yeah. Set him off to the side. So this is the front cover. Aha. I'm like, are we missing parts? No, they're just all crammed in here. Set him over yonder. I know this is kind of a weird angle we're working at today. Don't judge, don't hate. Set him over here. So this looks to be the stone that everything sits on. This is the pizza stone. Get him out. Him. It's so nice and clean. And then this is the front cover. So you either when you're done using it or whatever, you put this on the front and it covers it up. Again, this is the back cover, and it keeps the wood pieces from flying out everywhere. Do we need the instruction manual? Probably not. Are we going to use it anyway? Yes, we are. Main body, chimney, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. I got a lot of things to buy, and that's fine. Never use water to clean. Great. Cool. That's good to know. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, chimney vent. Okay. We're learning together. That's what we're doing. Yeah, I got a lot of things to buy. Oh, that's cool. It's even got, like, different recipes and stuff. Excellent. I'm going to hang on to this guy. And then I'll do a review of this once I get a chance to, you know, play with it and actually do some stuff with it. All right, so here's the pride and joy. Get out of here. Thank you. As I eat this across the kitchen. Now, how do I get you out? First off, folding legs. Nice. All right, so we're gonna set him up like so. Now I gotta figure out how to get you out of here. Now, this is where all the wood pieces sit in, or the fuel tray. Alright, so this is the chimney stack. This is very important. Huzzah. And this is the chimney cap. Boop. And I think that just twists on. And then this, yeah, it just twists on and twists off. That's cool. And then this is the flute to help vent it. And I'm sure there's a little vent in here. Yep. Little flapper vent. Here, I'll show you. Twisty, 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 twisty. Okay, so I think these are just filler boxes because there's really no like pieces and parts for this. So now we gotta figure out. So this right here is the fuel tray. So you put your wood or your charcoal on this, and then when it burns and it turns to ash, it sits down here. So then you just pull this whole thing out, dump it out, clean it out, whatever. It makes it easy to clean out. Bam. It's like a drip tray, but it's an ashtray. I don't know why I called it a drip tray. And then we put him there. And I will need to do a burn off because I'm not sure what this is for. And it might be for when I decide to put a gas burner on, but we're gonna hang on to him just in case. I also think it's to tighten any of these that are loose to keep it nice and sealed. But we're gonna turn him around, open him up, make sure there aren't any pieces of cardboard hiding, because that would suck. But we're gonna stick him back yonder. So I figured it out. There's what this little Allen wrench is for. There's two little bolts for this defender plate is what they're calling it. Basically it's to help prevent air from getting in there and ash from blowing everywhere. But that's what this is for. So this, hang on to him. But we got our cover here for the wood and charcoal. There's, like I said, an attachment for the gas burner in the back. That was super simple to put together. Like, I thought there were gonna be a bunch of nuts and bolts and this and that. That was, I'm peeling stickers off, leave me alone. Yeah, that was really easy to put together. That was, I thought we were gonna have an adventure with that. There's that. Let's clean up a little bit. Slide the pizza stone in here. And I would say there's only one way to put that in there, because otherwise it doesn't fit. But I would say that's that. And then the little door guy goes on there. And ladies and gentlemen, we have an outdoor pizza oven. All right, we're gonna move the box out of the way. But look at him. I am so excited to use this. This is gonna be a fun little toy. This is gonna be great. And so, like I said, there's a bunch of little parts and pieces that I'll buy. A lot of fun little toys that I'll buy. I did get a pizza spatula, because that's always important to have. I just grabbed what they had. They sell an OONI one that's got a wooden handle, and I might get that one if this one breaks. This is actually the big green egg one. This is just what they had. I think any spatula will do just fine, but this right here is what I'm looking for. They have a really small, like, pizza circle. I don't want to drop all my pizzas. I want something that I can trust. So I'm gonna use this guy, but I'm ready to make some videos. All right, guys, there you have it, an OONI pizza oven. I'm so excited to start playing with it. I'm so excited to start using it. Cannot wait. There's so many things I can do with it. Like, I just know that I'm gonna be able to just, like, I don't have to just make pizzas. I can do anything. Like, I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you share this with your friends and family. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.